Out with the old, in with the new. We're gonna try the Gatorbak on there, see how good it does. Nice thick rubber, seems very durable, a lot less scratches. I'll let you know. All right, you got that boat. Yes, you do. You're using the hell out of it. It's beautiful out. Family's out. You're out fishing, tearing it up. But eventually, you're going to have to pull that boat out of the water. And what happens when you start pulling that boat out of the water with that trailer? That carpet just going to get chewed up, and it's going to eat the bottom of the boat. Well, that's what's happening with us. The bunks aren't long enough, and the carpet, even though it was only 5 months old, just started chewing at the bottom of the boat. And we ain't gonna have that. So we looked into something called Gatorbak, and we're gonna put that on there. So we have the trailer all laid out in the shade, and you can see where all the wear and tear is, all the weight in the spots that is just scratching the boat, and then the boat's hitting down over here because the bunk isn't very long. So we're gonna extend the bunks, and then we're gonna put that Gatorbak onto the carpet there, replace those areas that are worn. Make it last a little longer. See all this scraping on it? All this scraping was from the wood bunks that were on there before with the carpet. They're just scraping the heck out of it. We got our carpeted bunks here. It's already worn. It's already scratching the bottom of the boat, and that's no good. This is probably only, I don't know, 5 months old, if that. It's just the weight is tearing the heck out of it. So we found this Gatorbak. It's thick, it's made out of some heavy rubber, it's got some ribs. Let the water drain out, and what you do is strip out this carpet and you place it right over your existing bunk. Take the carpet off so it doesn't hold in the moisture into your wood. We're gonna see if it's durable and how it lasts. So I'm gonna start installing that now. All right, I got one side off of the carpet. Only one cut and broken finger, but we're okay. And then we're gonna go to this Gatorbak here. I had it on my bigger bunks. It seems to be working great. Let's see how it goes down here. So, little shady spot. Let's see how this one pans out. So I got one side on. It's all tacked up top. It's tacked underneath. Now you just gotta take this little end piece that they have, this little end cap, and you put it on over there, and it kind of ties it all together nice and neat and everything. So one side 90%, and then we'll have to jump on the other side as long as I still got shade. On the long bunks now, if you remember, it was rubbing underneath here, so we extended these bunks out, and then the carpet was just getting tore up. It was just getting beat up way too fast and everything. So we bought these Gatorbaks. We put them on there, a couple hours up front, probably more like 4 in the back, taking everything apart. It was more of a hassle taking off the carpet than it was putting on the new stuff. Definitely a 2-person job. I started off by myself, and it's just, I need a friend. So it's just much easier just grabbing it over, bending it over, and making it last. Definitely make sure you got the right drive. I had a smaller drive at first, it was just killing me. And then I finally got a bigger one. Find some shade. Shade's the way to go. And plenty of clamps. I had plenty of those clamps on that you remember. So we'll find out in a couple years if this was a good investment or not. If we can beat the hell out of it and make it last a long time. So there is the finished product. All on there. It's nice and neat. Holding all together. Got some nice flex in it. Sitting nice, and that's because, see all this scraping on it? All this scraping was from the wood bunks that were on there before with the carpet. They're just scraping the heck out of it. So, in order to eliminate that, we're gonna give the Gatorbak a try. I like it so far.
First time on with the Gatorbaks, and
Noticed
what looks like some wear on the bottom of the hull here. It seems like it kind of just rubs right off with just a push of my finger. Doesn't seem to have actually gone into the hull at all. I'll keep an eye on it, see it when it's a little better, a little brighter, when I can see if there's any scratches. But it said expect some rubbing. It was a little more alarming than I expected originally. But keep an eye on it, see if anything changes.
So, beautiful day out. Here's some advice to you. Yes, if you're gonna work on your trailer with the door open and everything, make sure you have your little battery jump thing charged, so when you kill your battery, you can jump it so you don't have to stand out in the sun and heat and wait hours for a jump. Just a little advice.